All right. So, and last but not least, we'll do 5 instead of 6. Tax deferred. Deferred. Spelled in there, whatever. But that's the tax deferment. So you can actually offset your taxes, whether you're getting that property, you can 1031 exchange that property, or like we said, you get tax benefits to being able to be an owner or a partner in the deals with us or yourself, whatever. If you're investing with us, or you're investing on your own. You get to defer taxes, so you can write off the income that you made on that property because those are passed through. Real estate in general, cash flow, commercial real estate, multifamily properties has some of the best tax benefits to ownership and investments than any other thing than any other asset class, period, that I've seen. Businesses, stocks, bonds, gold, all that other stuff. Real estate to me has the best benefits, and these are the ways to make money. So I said 6, but it's 5. So number one way to make money is cash flow. Look, a drip. Drip. Get a drip every month off of the money that you have invested in an asset, in a vehicle, in a real estate deal, multifamily. Next, long-term appreciation. The value of your property continues to go up because rents in this country continue to go up. That is actually how multifamily real estate is valued. So it appreciates in value while inflation is happening. It's a great inflation hedge. Next, depreciation. You depreciate the asset, meaning like you get to write that property off over 27 years. That gets passed on to us and investors. That's another way to make money. Next, refinance the property. You can go back to the bank and say, hey, we bought this property for $20 million. It is now worth $30 million or $40 million. We want to look at refinancing and pulling out our equity or some more, whatever the bank is going to let us do at the time. And then that's another way to make money on our deal. And that's a non-taxable event. And last but not least, we can there's tax benefits of deferring taxes. So you make money and you have to defer the taxes that you would make on that money until a later time. You kind of kick the can down the road. There's a bunch of different ones, as well as accelerated depreciation, all of those things. But these are the 5 ways that you make money in real estate. And I wanted to share that with you guys as investors that I look at when I'm looking at real estate as an investment vehicle. All right. So if you guys need anything, hit me up. Go to bell-capital.com. You can schedule a call if you're interested in investing with us. You have questions about your personal situation. Myself or somebody on my team will talk to you about that. Or you can hit get started or invest now, and it'll take you to the portal. You can take a look at our open fund. You got to be accredited, and it's an accredited only fund. You can take a look at what's available, how it works, review the documents. And if you have any questions and you want somebody to go over that with you on my team, feel free to schedule a call with us. We're here for you. It isn't just about you hitting a button. This is really about you talking to another human being and finding out whether it's a good fit for you and whether you're a good fit for us too, right? It's a two-way thing. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. I want to share more videos with you. I want to answer your questions like these. How do you make money in real estate? How do your investors make money in real estate? These are the 5 ways that we do that. Share this video with people if you think that it's a benefit to them, or if it's something you want to share and you want it explained well. I'd be happy to do that with these videos. So let me know if you need anything. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day today. Let me know how things work out. Let me know what you feel about this video. Put it in the comments. Which one of these do you think is one of the most important things as you're looking to invest in your own investments when you're investing money? Right? Which one of these things do you find is most important to you? All right, let's talk soon.